Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just getting all my stuff out so I can prepare to do my hair. The wig that I am installing for the week is MyFirstWig. It comes with all the stuff you need, you guys. This is very beginner friendly. So it comes with 2 clips, flyaway tamer, a comb. It also comes with the wig bag. It came also with this little hair straightener. I'll show you guys that when we get to that part. So I'm gonna push this back. I didn't pluck this hairline yet because I just wanted to show you guys how it looked right out of the pack for my beginners, because it's called MyFirstWig. So I wanted to show you guys it right out of the pack. Close the up mirror. So first I'm gonna cut the lace off but this lace is really nice, y'all. Really nice, but I just wanted to show you guys how the wig looked right out of the pack. Cut some of the lace off so you can see. Like, ooh, that already look good. So we're gonna cut the ear tabs off so the wig can fit us properly. This is my first time trying MyFirstWig. I heard great things about the company. So this is my first time actually trying them out. Okay, that looks nice. And of course we're gonna cut more of the lace off, but I just wanted to get some of the lace out of my face. But this should be a very quick hairstyle. Okay, so the ear tabs is off and the hair is already looking beautiful, y'all. I can barely see the lace. Like, oh my gosh, I can barely see the lace. So this hairline is a little bit on the thicker side. It's not thick, but I like my hairline to be a little bit more thinner. So we're gonna take some tweezers. Let me find my tweezers. Okay, so all I did was just part some of my baby edges out. And I'm gonna start to pluck. When you pluck, I pluck this side a little bit, just a really little bit, y'all, like only this little bit. So what I'm doing to like find the hairline is I'm hot combing the hair back. I did put a little got-to-be spray just so I can see the hairline, but when I tell you this hairline is everything. Mind you, I still haven't glued this unit down yet, but look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh, I never, like, this is so pretty. So I'm just hot combing it. I really don't know how I'm gonna style this unit yet, but I really like the color. Like, it's not too bright. I like that the roots are dark, so I can handle that. I'm gonna get rid of the middle part because I don't know if I'm gonna wear it in the middle part. So beautiful. So once you hot comb the hair back, oh my gosh, you don't even have to pluck much. So you want to make sure you're hot combing the hair really, really good on the scalp part. So what I do is make sure the tip of the hot comb is touching the lace. So first I put it like this and lay it flat against it. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and glue this unit on. You guys already know how I glue it on. I'm just gonna, my nose is itchy. I'm gonna use the Boho Active on my edges, and yeah, I'm gonna get really close and glue this on. So I'll be back after I glue it down. You guys know how I glue my wigs down. I cut them in sections and I only do like 2 layers. So yeah, let me do this and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so it is a few days later and I'm still rocking this unit. So as you guys can see, I have this unit pretty much styled very, very simple. I didn't cut the unit, I didn't re-dye the unit. This is the color that it came. It's very, very nice. I've gotten so many compliments on this unit. It looks very, I don't know, this hairstyle looks very summery to me. I think it'll also look back in like a sleek ponytail as well. With this hairstyle, I feel like I need to add some glow because this brown is looking really glowy. Like this brown looks like I look like I smell like cocoa butter. I really like this brown color. I really like this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I got so many compliments on this hair. It is beautiful. And it did come with the middle part. I don't know if my middle part is straight, but who cares? But this is so nice. I love the density of the hair. It's not too full. It's not too thin. It is a beautiful, beautiful texture of hair. So when you get your MyFirstWig, it does come with a wig stand and also this cute little wig bag. So this is perfect for beginners if you wanted to get into wigs. But I really, really like this hairstyle. And they did send over like a straightener. It's not a flat iron, it's like a different type of tool, but I didn't use it this time around. But when I use it, I'll let you guys know. But this hairstyle is so, I just look like I'm about to go on somebody's beach with this hairstyle. It's so pretty. So pretty. So shout out to MyFirstWig for sending me over this unit. You guys can go ahead and check them out. I'll leave everything down in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.